in the Viva. And this X-ray explains the cervical vertebrae, talks about cervical vertebrae. We first talk about some of the points which can be there in the X-ray, which can be important for the practicals. कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? ये वाला तो अपना स्कल बोन का बेस है, स्कल का बेस है, तो उसके नीचे will be first cervical vertebra, second cervical vertebra, third cervical vertebra, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. Now remember, we just had a word about in the last lecture that first is atlas, second is axis. These are the two atypical vertebrae along with the seventh one. बाकी सारे third, fourth, fifth, sixth is a typical cervical vertebra. It is a typical cervical vertebra. And if you can also see properly, सब disc के बीच में space है. This is an intervertebral disc or intervertebral space where we have that articular disc or you must have heard about slip disc and all those things. It is this disc can get slipped. This is what becomes a schematic diagram for to correlate with the X-ray. Yeah, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, and we have C7. We have C7. Can be asked for comparison sake. Can be asked for comparison. और ये vertebrae के बीच में, this is what is an intervertebral disc. ये रहता है, इसको commonly also called as gaddi between two vertebrae. And it has got two parts. We can say the green portion is the peripheral portion and central portion. Commonly also called as nucleus pulposus. यहाँ पे दिया हुआ central portion and peripheral annulus fibrosus. अभी तो कोई important नहीं है, लेकिन शायद practical में पूछ सकता है intervertebral disc. और अगर तुम vertebra describe कर रहे हो तो they can give you vertebra and they can ask you कि इसके बीच में जो डिस्क रहते हैं उसके पार्ट्स क्या क्या है. So we can have a nucleus pulposus and annulus fibrosus are the two portions. अगर ये डैमेज हो गया तो ये वर्टिब्रा के ऊपर आ जाएगा. It will come on the other vertebra. Joint, ये कोई joints पे पूछता नहीं है. We have atlantoaxial joint and all those things. Craniovertebral joints कोई important नहीं है. Atlantoaxial joint, yeah, just for your understanding, is not commonly asked in the exams. You can see this is an atlas vertebra. And ये जो दिख रहा है ये second vertebra का, remember that odontoid process which was coming up, ये इसके अंदर घुसता है. Let me show you the other diagram that we can understand. Do we have the other diagram? Yes. ये जो odontoid process है ये first vertebra के बीच में घुसेगा. And it will help you to rotate your head like this. Rotate your head as if you are saying no. When you say no, the way you rotate is because of the joint between axis and atlas. Axis and atlas. Yes, this is what is also called as no joint. No wala joint between atlas and axis. First and second cervical vertebra. Maybe asked in the practicals. Also इसका importance ये है, जब भी hanging होता है, because of the knot का pressure, ये odontoid process टूट जाता है. It breaks down. And इसकी वजह से जो spinal cord है वो damage हो जाता है. इसकी वजह से death होती है. So death because of hanging also occurs because of the fracture of the odontoid process, and that causes damage of the spinal cord. Damage of the spinal. If you can see here, this is what is the odontoid process. अगर hanging होता है तो ये पीछे चला जाता है, and this causes ये spinal cord है, can get damaged, and because of that the patient will die. Death occurs because of the damage to the cervical vertebra. Cervical also called as a hangman's fracture. आ गया? जब भी किसी को hang करते हैं और वो हैंग होता है, that can produce damage to the atlantoaxial joint, that can lead to damage to the spinal cord, and that causes death. That causes death. ओके ठीक है, एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेते हैं, मैं थोड़ा डैमेज शुरू करता हूँ। पैरोटिड ग्लैंड, वी कैन स्टार्ट इन सम टाइम। वैसे भी 2 मिनट